So the start of 2024 is right around the corner, and if you want this new year to be your year, if you want to start living your dream life and becoming the best version of yourself for 2024, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Anati if you're new, and if you're not, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I am a lifestyle content creator. I upload videos on self-care, self-improvement, vlogs, ranging from all of that. But today is self-improvement, okay? If that sounds like something you want to do, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below what your goals are for 2024 and what your manifestations are. As you've probably seen the title is how to reinvent yourself. But before we get into the video, we have to set a little disclaimer. What does reinventing yourself actually mean? Okay, reinventing yourself does not mean changing your entire self. Reinventing yourself, if you're taking it in a way as in I hate myself, that's rooted in insecurities. But reinventing yourself is making yourself and who you are better for your own good. So the first thing we're going to do is reflect on 2024. You have to understand what you did wrong or not so well in 2023, or what set you back. This could be things like you're a procrastinator, or you set goals, New Year's, and like you do it for the first month and then it all goes down the drain. Okay, so this video is going to be divided into 3 parts. So the first part is going to be your physical glow up, the second part is going to be your mental glow up, and the third part is going to be your whole lifestyle glow up. So your physical glow up, okay, investing into your appearance is such a good thing. This doesn't have to be anything necessarily meaning like spending money, but just as in taking care of yourself is really important into having that it girl persona, as in the energy that you bring out because you think you look good. And girl, if you look good, you'll feel good, and the energy you bring out will be even better. Use social media to your advantage. There's so many tutorials out there, okay? We've been on this. TikTok is a thing. There's so many search engines that you can use to your advantage and invest into your appearance through those platforms. Different videos created on like makeup for different features, as in like maybe I would search like, you know, dark skin makeup tutorial, how to accentuate your features. Step 2, exercise is so important and working out is so important. Working out or exercising does not mean having to get a whole gym membership and going to the gym. The gym is just not meant for everyone. So you can find other methods of implementing physical activity into your day, like taking a run, for example. I don't know, joining a dance class. I know I dance, so I have a dance class like almost every week, and this is my way of physical activity that I like and enjoy. And it doesn't have to be anything that makes you feel like you're actually putting in the work. Like when I dance, I'm dancing, okay? Step 3, gut health. Okay, I've watched so many YouTube videos and TikToks on this recently, and I mean like over the past month I've realized gut health is so important, guys. Like, I am not the best to speak on this topic, if I'm being honest, so I will link some videos down below explaining for you guys exactly what gut health is and why it's so important. I've seen so many videos on TikTok about how people started focusing and prioritizing their gut health and how this literally cleared their skin. Once again, I will link some videos down below for you guys to watch if you want to. 4, your sleep schedule, okay? Over the course of this year, my sleep schedule has improved like immensely, and I think it's shown in how I carry myself, the energy I have throughout the day, how I even look. Don't underestimate it, okay? Don't be one of those people that like, I stay up late at night, like I don't sleep. Like, girl, that's not something to brag about. That's not something to be proud of, okay? And making sure you get at least like 8 hours of sleep, or some people need less depending on like, you know, different stuff, but definitely don't be getting like 5 hours of sleep, okay? Step 5 I have is find your signature scent and find a perfume or fragrance that works for you. I don't know, Bath and Body Works, like find a little set that you can get all the time, as in it has a spray, body wash, things like that. So for me, my signature scent is this right now. My signature scent, I think, changes quite a lot, but I have scents that I tend to lean more towards. Like, I like kind of like soft, sweet, fruity scents, but then I also like more musky scents, which is what this is, and that's what I'm really into at the moment. So this is the Mason Barcat perfume. I literally love it so much. It smells amazing, and I always have people asking me like, girl, like, what is you wearing? Like, you smell so good. But I think really smelling good is very, very underrated, because generally I'm a person who's afraid of smelling bad. Like, I don't I smell good 24/7, and I can say that with my chest. Investing into good perfumes and good scents, and these don't have to be super expensive. Like, I have so many fragrance recommendations on my Amazon storefront, which I will link down below too. I got you, girl. So step 6 is finding your style in terms of fashion. What do you like? And for me, I feel like, right, I know you can all relate with this, right? How you'd want to dress if you actually had the money to dress like that, you know? I think I don't necessarily have a style. I don't think you have to limit yourself to one style. Like, girl, try new things. Like, I love like this. I can wear like this, but then I can literally show up in like baggy jeans and like a baggy top. Like, I don't necessarily like to limit myself when it comes to style. Experiment with different things. With your makeup, experiment with hairstyles, because I feel like experimenting is how you find what looks best on you. Let 2024 be an experiment year, if anything, right? And the last step is to know your heart, right? Because doing all this will exude that energy, but also you should know that. And I think when you are confident in yourself and like everyone can see that, people have that view of you. Like, I think I'm a super like I know who I am. Like, I know I'm a bad bee, you know? And when I'm around other people, like, they tell me that, like, Uneli, like, oh, like, when I first met you, like I thought, oh, like, she got her life together, or like, you know, she just exudes that girl energy. And that's because that's the energy I lie in, that's the energy I give out, and I know who I am, and I'm confident in myself, and that shows when I'm around other people. So on to part 2 of this video, which is your mental glow up. And although having a physical glow up will do you justice, babe, but having a mental glow up too, girl, like, you're gonna have it all. And I think without the mental glow up, you're not really gonna glow up, babe. Like, number 1, you are who you surround yourself with. Okay, think of the top 5 people you spend your time with, and think of how they act, and girl, like, that rubs off on you. So you have to think about your surroundings and the energies that they have and all of that. So obviously, if you're surrounding yourself with people with negative energy, negative vibes 24/7, that's where you are. Finding like a positive circle of people is quite difficult. Like, being selective with that, and selective about who you allow into your life and into your energies, will really help you out. And this leads into my second point, which is fostering strong and good relationships. And this could be friendships, like going out with your friends, talking to your friends, because I've literally been friends with people who like will never want, as someone's friend, why do you not want to talk to them? Like, why do you not want to like spend time with them? Like, I get people have their own lives, but this doesn't mean you have to go out 24/7, by the way. This could mean just FaceTiming your friend, you know, checking in on your friend. Like, check in on your friends. Have friends who check in on you, because, girl, third step I have is stop seeking validation from unfulfilling sources, okay? E.g., stop seeking validation from other people, because this will literally lead you into a rabbit hole of insecurity. When you're searching for validation from other people, you'll never get that, because other people have their own lives, so they don't really care about you like that. It's just not cute. The only validation I need now is for myself and God, because you are that girl and you are a bad bee, so act like one. Having good support systems, once again, for me that means literally just talking to God, which sometimes I'm like, oh Nettie, like is you okay? But like, so therapeutic. This could be a hobby that you enjoy. Once again, for me, that's like dance, art, literally like watching runway shows 24/7. So I think just finding healthy methods of like a release, calming you down and making you feel grounded is really, really important. So yeah. And lastly, I have practice gratitude and be grateful for what you already have, and I think that brings so much positive energy into yourself. And lastly, we have the lifestyle glow up of this video, and this is basically just tying everything in together. Learning new skills. Like, I think if you're constantly learning new things, a really great way to socialize with people. So if you struggle with that, I think that's such a good way. Like for me, part of the reason why I'm so confident now is because of dance and the people that I've met through dance, and it's just improved my confidence so much. And I think finding that will, girl, like I can't even explain it now because you won't know what you won't understand. Like I can't explain it, you just have to be there. So find that, right? Find that through trying those new things, you know. And you don't want to stay stagnant, because that's how you're like, but how do I find it? Try new things, because then that's how you find the thing, you know. Finding your income should be one of the things that are like at the top of your brain when you think of your, you know, financial goals. Having multiple streams of income is really good. And I think for me, I am still young, so I mean, I think I have multiple streams of income, as in, well, the whole, if you set it to one, I have social media as my stream of income, I have my YouTube videos, so YouTube AdSense, I have the sponsorships that I have with brands, I have clothes that I receive and then reinvest into my channel, which brings me in more money, you know. Girl, selling my clothes on Vinted or Depop, right? That is having multiple streams of income, and for my age, I think that's really great. It's really setting you up for when you're older. So you carry that on, but like obviously onto bigger things like having properties, investing into crypto, all of that. Like that's like, you know, the big girl version. Developing a daily routine is really important, because girl, this is how the days go by so fast. This is how you look back and you're like, wait, what happened in 2023? Having a daily routine and having an idea of what you have, like your goals are, or what your mindset is going into every day. How you start your day, how you end your day, how you are throughout your day will really impact the next day and the next weeks and the next months and the next year. So journaling, girl, when I tell you this, just writing down how you feel or using journal prompts will level you up. Like that's a really good way of letting it out, writing down how you feel. Using journal prompts too, girl, Pinterest got you. Like they really do. Like with the journal prompts, they come in clutch. Like and I think there's so many different like journal prompts, like new year journal prompts, okay, monthly reset journal prompts, I don't know, mental health check-in journal prompts. Like there's so many different things. So journaling, I would 110% recommend. You can check out my board on Pinterest called Journal, and I have all the journal prompts that I use on there, and I think they just bang. So I was a person who looks at people achieving things and not be like, well, I guess that's just not for me, you're lucky. And I really think getting out of that mindset is what will really get you jump started and how to actually live your dream life and be the best version of yourself. And the minute you snap out of that mindset, you will realize things will actually gradually start getting better for you. And I really want to encourage you guys to take all the advice in this video, girl, and actually put it into plan, put it into action. Because don't just watch this video and then go and do the same thing. Like this is really the time to change. New year, new us. And I know, well, new year, it's still the same. Yeah, no, it's not. No, it's not. Like, if you did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel once again if you liked me shouting at you for like 30 minutes. Bye. What?